Hi, I'm Sergeant Christopher Gavette. I'm with the UCF Police Department, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about spin and some scooter safety tips. Well, just like riding a bicycle, it's always important to consider the use of a helmet, especially on the scooter. When riding around on campus with a scooter, you want to make sure that you keep your eyes on the road, your hands on the handlebars, and your phone in your pocket. We're all trying to get from point A to point B on campus. It's important that we're courteous and we look out for each other.